Welcome to the WION podcast, where we explore fascinating stories and ideas from various fields. In this episode, we explore Japan's bold plan to turn the moon into a giant power station and how it could send clean energy back to Earth. It begins with a vision that pushes the limits of how we think about energy itself. The idea was first proposed by Shimizu Corporation, in which a solar ring made of solar panels encircles the whole moon's surface to produce endless electricity for the Earth. The impossible idea was first offered a decade ago in 2011 after the Fukushima nuclear disaster, which prompted safer and cleaner energy solutions in Japan. It is called the lunar ring, a massive belt of solar panels extending around the equator of the moon to generate continuous power for Earth. Lunar solar power is a large infrastructure project that would encircle the moon with solar power cells along its equatorial belt. The Shimizu Corporation stated on its official concept page that it will harness solar energy by placing solar panels in a belt around the moon's equator. A proposed project stretching roughly around 6,900 miles in length and several hundred kilometers in width could become one of the largest human-made structures ever imagined. The idea took shape as Japan began exploring alternative energy sources following the Fukushima disaster. The lunar ring is a concept for a massive belt of solar panels, about 6,000 miles long, positioned along the moon's equator. Unlike solar panels on Earth, these would not be affected by weather conditions or nightfall. With no atmosphere to block sunlight, and at least one side of the moon constantly exposed to the sun, the system could generate continuous power. Developers claim such space-based panels could produce up to 20 times more energy than those on Earth. The solar panels would capture sunlight and convert it into electricity, which would then be transmitted to Earth using lasers or microwaves. On Earth, special receivers known as rectennas would convert this energy back into electricity for use. Because sunlight is always available on at least one side of the moon, the system could operate non-stop, potentially generating around 13,000 terawatts, far exceeding current global energy needs. First challenges in the project are the required construction of the infrastructure in space, which would need the application of cutting-edge robotics science that could be utilized to mine the soil and construct buildings on the moon. Second is the logistical issues, along with the costs of space transportation and delivery, collaboration with different nations, as well as safely transmitting energy over a distance of 280,000 miles. The creators of the Lunar Solar Ring called it a long-term project and suggested its initial plans with a time frame of 2035. Thanks for tuning in to this incredible story. If this episode resonated with you, don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button for more captivating stories to come. Stay tuned.